The original reason that we brought CFIS into the organization was we had to ingest PDFs from our client, Urban. And we had to do it at a speed and a efficiency level that allowed us to keep the presses running. We looked at technology like XMPie, Print Shop Mail, and those cannot keep up with the press. We run an IP 5000 digital web. And we also looked at Extreme and some other things, and we found that CFIS was the best technology that gave us the fastest from the front and ingest to the press itself. We had to be able to move mass amount of PDFs to those press. And what was interesting is over time, the change really moved to an audit and security level. And today, audit and security is probably the biggest reason that we have the CFIS platform, although the other parts are equally as important. We have two InfoPrint 5000s. We get release of data at midnight. We have to be on that press by 12:30. If we do not have the throughput through the front end of the system, then we're waiting an hour, 2 hours before we start rolling the presses. Our challenge is we've got 24 hours or before the next FedEx pickup to be able to get and meet the SLAs. So for us, the changes in the technology over the past 4 years, we had to get about 1,500 images a minute to keep both presses going. We work through with CFIS to be able to do that. Currently, we now are at 5,000 images per minute, which obviously allows us to fill both presses, but more importantly, we also scale and connect with other sister companies within our organization. That throughput allows us to offload onto multiple plant locations, which is key to meeting our SLAs with our customer. CFIS to us has been very successful, and we would recommend it to anybody that has a need that is either a throughput, ADF, some kind of security and audit. We were really fortunate in the client that we were working with has actually put in CFIS, and they now use middle office as part of the process. From our perspective, there was a lot of cost savings. At the end of the day, our service to our client is what really made a lot of sense to what we were doing. However, with the installation of the ADF, the ability to run vision cameras on inserters, our ability to manage files going to the press, we were really able to eliminate and improve our throughput on our inserters. We were able to put in auto reprints into the process to eliminate that manual process. We were able to pull those auto reprints back up into the front of the print stream, run them in batches, and so the overall labor savings were significant. It's very critical for us when we provide solutions and go out and present solutions and new opportunities, bringing expertise to the table with folks like CFIS really works for us in going after new opportunities and new business, and it's been a really successful relationship for us.